other side. Fold over to the markings, putting a little clip on each side to hold it in place. I will cut along this edge. Now open it up. Measure the depth. Now the other side. Next, fold over the liner. To where the marks are. Right there. Here I'm scoring a line using a pencil. So when you open it, you will have a line. I'm going to cut on that line, all the way to the end. Here's my cut liner. Using double-sided tape on all corners. For this type of irregular shelf, I removed it and traced the shelf onto the liner. Cut on the marked lines. Fits perfectly. Now I simply place the shelf back.